All right, change the caliper on a 1990 Jeep Cherokee. It's going to be one take, so this video we'll see how long it takes. Driveway work, need a map. Make sure we get a good lift point. That should be good. Next, you want to loosen the bolt. Breaker bar, best tool in the garage. I don't have a garage yet. Those are loosened. Free. To avoid getting gravel and sand, put them somewhere clean. Safety, top priority. Put this underneath the jack stand. Under the frame, good to go. Okay, that's the setup. Next part, got to take 2 bolts off to get the caliper off. One is right there, the other one's underneath. Nope. 12mm. There's 1. 2. They're not too tight. Take them out by hand. The reason I was changing these, well, the left one actually, the piston was stuck, so I had to change that. So the right one I'm doing at the same time. Not too expensive, so keep it all equal. So there's a pin you got to pull out a little bit to get this out. That's good. Right, there, it's removed. Next thing I do, I'm going to take off the brake line. I don't want to twist it too much, so let's see. That should be good. Actually, what we could do is take off. Let's see where you're at. Is take off the brake pads. I'll be reusing them because I recently did the rotors and pads. So. These, there's 2 little holes. You got to push it in and out. In and up. So this has a lot of brake pad left on it. On the inside. That's good. So the brake pads, this one would be like and on the other side. So this slides along here. So I'm gonna have to clean this off with some sandpaper and put a whole bunch of grease to keep it sliding. Got to change the rotor. That's how it's done right here. Recently got a new bearing. All right, I gotta get some sandpaper. I'll be back. I'm back. Here. So that's what it's like now. It's coming clean. Some people use power tools. I'm more of a driveway mechanic. A little bit of old school in me. Very important to do this. Stick around to the end. I'll have some bonus footage of doing the grease job. Gonna need some new sandpaper. Now before we change the caliper, just gonna clean off the hydraulic line. Try to avoid getting anything else, any debris when I switch it out. Good enough. So this line here is a 14 mil. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah, you can. It is going to leak some fluid. No, that's normal. We'll be topping up the fluid. Alright, there's the line. The old bolt, you can discard. This, you can bring it back for your return money, or you just throw it out. Alright, now I'm going to clean off the with my little bit of sandpaper left. Give it a quick little buff. You do not want leaky brakes. As it leaks out there, you can see that's fine. Just fine. Brake parts cleaner. We're doing brakes. Pretty good. All right, here's the new one. New bolts, instructions. This is where you're going to put the brake line. Here's the package. Bolt, 2 washers, one here and one on the outside. Alright, so you take one, put it on the nut or the bolt. So this makes sense to go like this. So I gotta go like this. And I'll bring this up. Alright, just snug. I'll tighten it up once I get everything else done. Put this here. Now it's the grease time. Brake lubricant. This is where your brake pads are going to slide. You want lots of lube. Very important. Top and bottom. All right, top and bottom. Put a little bit just on the puck so that the where it makes contact with the brake pad doesn't get stuck when you go to take it off for next time. And lastly is these slider bolts. Lots of lube. Allows the caliper to move as required. This one's a little sticky. What's up?
Hein?
What's up?
Mais je t'appelle et tu ne réponds pas?
When'd you call me?
Je sais pas, j'ai entendu ton Jeep faire bien du bruit pendant plusieurs minutes, fait que je pensais que t'étais parti.
No.
Fait que je t'ai appelé.
What's up?
Veux-tu faire les appels des trois choses? Pourquoi tu travailles sur ton Jeep, ce n'est pas important?
Veux-tu? So that the brakes work?
Non, peut-être que notre chien va venir aveugle parce que genre, ça fait 3 mois qu'elle a une tache dans l'œil puis personne ne fait rien.
Yeah, I was thinking of calling the dog breeder and see if she knows.
Oh my god, on va-tu aller vraiment sur la rive sud?
No, we're not going. We're gonna call and see, is this a history with these
C'est quoi
dogs?
cette shit? T'es en train de t'enregistrer?
Yeah, doing a video of you yelling at me. Yeah, I'm gonna call the dog breeder.
Je te demande, je t'appelle, ça fait 2 fois, puis tu réponds aucunement.
It never rang. Anyway, I'm gonna call the dog breeder and see if there's a history of that.
Appeler l'optométriste pour prendre un rendez-vous.
Right, but if the dog breeder knows the history. Well, that's a common thing when you're working here. The wife yelling at you. Very common. All right, grease, 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 grease. To add to the grease, you can put some on the actual piece. All right, time to put it back on. Hopefully these are out just enough. You're gonna set it on the bottom and then push it in. Oh, need a rotor. Thought something was weird. Do the bottom first. There we go. Then that's started. That started. do both of them up pretty snug, and then kind of go back and forth, make sure they're equal. These ones you don't do up too tight, just pretty tight, but not too tight. To the manufacturer's recommendation. Alright, now that that's snug, you can snug up your brake line. There we go. So, it's complete. Brake line done, 2 bolts. Put the tire back on. That's it. Thanks for watching. It was 32 minutes. And if I just put the tire back on, call it 35. 35-minute job.